A group of bipartisan senators has reached an agreement on gun control measures.
But will there be support from their colleagues? CBS 2's Dick Brennan here now with more on what some are saying tonight. Dick.
Maurice and Christine, the deal would be a modest victory for Democrats. It falls short of the major measures they wanted, including an assault weapons ban and closing the gun show loophole where background checks are not required. Many Republicans say they would not vote for any legislation they say would threaten the Second Amendment rights.
We are in the process of becoming unstuck on an issue that has weighed Congress down for 30 straight years.
The agreement would include financial support for states to create or administer red flag laws to temporarily remove guns from individuals deemed to be a threat. It expands investment in mental health and school safety, and it has enhanced background checks for gun buyers under 21.
It is substantial. It is significant. It will save lives, and it will provide us the momentum to be able to make further changes.
At least 10 GOP senators support the framework, which ensures it can move forward in the Senate if all 50 Democrats back the plan.
This time is different. Never before in the last 30 years have so many Republicans been at the table.
Mr. President, any comment on the gun reform deal?
President Biden said he would sign legislation if it comes to his desk, but the National Rifle Association warned the NRA will continue to oppose any effort to insert gun control policies that deprive law-abiding citizens of their fundamental right to protect themselves. Over the weekend, protesters marched in cities around the country. Many say the agreement is a step in the right direction. Senate lawmakers will now begin drafting the new legislation, with many hoping it can get done before the July recess.
I will put this bill on the floor ASAP, as soon as possible, so that Congress can quickly act to do something meaningful against gun violence.
But right now, this is just a deal in principle. Democrats say now comes the hard part, drafting the legislation where more bargaining and perhaps changes will take place. Maurice.
Okay, Dick Brennan in the newsroom. Thank you.